from Sophie and Amma. Something pa. Wow, ang ganda. Pakita nga. Wow, so beautiful. What will you say? You like it? Sa tabi mo dyan. Walang letter. Kay Ate Shai yata yan eh. Nakita ko. Diba? Naalala mo? Oh, what will you say? O, dun. Yan. Wala rin card. It's okay. O, yung Barbie mo. Oh, what will you say? O, yung doll mo nahulog. Wow!
It's a lot of dress up in the dark.
Oh, what will you say?
From Ate Stacy and Ate Monica.
Kaya Tita Che yan. I'll go. Daddy, help mo.
It's a
Wow! Partner, para naman Blackpink. Oh, what will you say?
It's a bag.
Wow! Fashionista. Wow! What's that?
Lipstick.
Oh my God! My lipstick! Ay, nako talaga. Oh, what will you see?
Is from galing Jollibee and
Oh, open mo yung binigay sa'yo ni Jollibee, yung lamp.
we need to lagay this battery first.
Ah, okay. lalagyan siya ng battery. Oh, can you show them?
Jollibee.
Oh, ano yung nakalagay sa box? Paano daw siya? Sa gilid. Ito, oh. Here, oh. Oh. Ganun. Iilaw daw. This one. Okay, next. Ano pa pinigay sa'yo ni Jollibee? Pencil case. Okay, what else? No na. What's that? A magnet? Oh, another pa. Ano pa? Hindi mo yan maano. Can I? Baka paper. Oh. Drawing. Kasama yan ng big bike. Doon ka, oo, para may water ka sa bike nakalagay. What's that? Envelope. Lalagyan na ng papers. Asan na yung ano mo? Yung naka-ano? Saan mo nilagay? Yung cup. Na-throw mo na? Okay. Oh, sige na.
This is the paint guys. This is my prize. And this one guys is for activity. Characters with, like eraser.